Paradoxical. Paradoxical. Paradoxical means contradictory, but true. For example, while failure is considered the opposite of success, it is paradoxical that failure is necessary for success. It is paradoxical that some businesses fail because of a lack of cash, while other businesses fail because of too much cash. When I visited the city, I found it paradoxical that many of the city's poor live in the city's richest areas. So next time something is contradictory but true, why not use the word paradoxical instead? Hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like this.